Want to stop your Lyca Mobile plan from renewing automatically? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel auto-renewal quickly and easily. First, tap on the phone dialer. Now enter *190# and press the call button. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen and choose the option to cancel auto-renewal. Once you receive the confirmation message, automatic renewal has been cancelled. You can then check your plan details and make sure auto-renewal is switched off. Remember, canceling auto-renewal does not necessarily cancel your current plan. Your existing plan can continue until its validity period ends. Now that you know how to cancel auto-renewal, let's look at some useful Lyca Mobile USSD codes. To check your main balance, dial *1131# and press call. To check your remaining data and active bundle information, dial *137#. If you need additional help, you can contact Lyca Mobile customer service from your Lyca number. Here's a quick recap. *19# to manage auto-renewal, *131 access plan renewal options, and *137# to check your data and bundle balance. Check your Lyca SIM number. Just dial *132# to see your number. It's that easy. If this Lyca Mobile tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lyca Mobile plans, USSD codes, and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!